going straight once more. Mitchell Dumesny's hanging in there. Robbie Farr is pulling all of his track talents together in the East Coast pipeline. Number 7 as they go down the back straight away. Tattle doesn't want to be left.
Mitchell! Oh, that could be the race-winning move. Dived in underneath Loudon, but Farr now's gone to the top side. They're nose to tail with 3 to go.
And we're right back to where we were just 20 seconds ago. Down the back straight away. It's Dumesny leading Farr with Tattle in 3rd place. Back to the home straight. There's only 2 laps to go. 2 laps to go. Can the 21-year-old hold out the former Australian champion? Down the back straight.
Well, Robbie Farr is so much quicker out of turn 2. Coming down out of turn 4. Mitchell's made a mistake. Farr's through. Robbie Farr on the penultimate lap has got underneath Mitchell. You cannot believe it. Farr, Mitchell pulls a wheel stand out of turn 2. Farr down into turn 3. Mitchell on the top side. Can he do it? Mitchell Dumesny. He's won the race. Upside down. Oh my goodness. Dumesny's crossed the line first. Upside down.
Dumesny has crossed the wire first with the transponder.
Race fans, Mitchell Dumesny is okay. How cool is this? The Posse are beaten World Series.
So Mitchell Dumesny first. How are they going to weigh the car? You've got to have the weigh-in, haven't you?
Now, I will inform you, Mitch is just sitting here catching his breath. To Melinda, he's okay down here, Mim. He's all right. Mitch, stand up in that seat and wave that flag.
Your winner, World Series Sprint Cars round number 2, Mitchell Dumesny!
How cool is that?
Your local champion!
Well, as Mac's dad said in the pits just before the race, he'll probably beat me home tonight, and indeed he did.
Get away from the tow truck. Mitchell Dumesny, put it there, brother. How cool does that feel? Your old man has won 1,000 of these races, won this World Series Sprint Car feature races. You've just got your first. And what a way to do it upside down.
I hope you guys enjoyed that. I tell you what, start to finish, hasn't been a feature like that in a while, has there? But hey, you just don't expect people to turn right on you like that, but I guess I got the win. Got the win, and I put a show on for you guys, and I hope you enjoy it and come back next race meeting.